Hello, everyone. Welcome to Terrifying Snake Encounters Caught on Camera, where terrifying moments are captured as people suddenly come face to face with some of the most dangerous snakes in the world. Python hunters struggle with a 4.8-meter-long python, setting a record in the process. A man is walking into his house when, suddenly, a snake hanging at the front door bites him on the head. He falls to the ground, screaming in pain, and quickly runs away from the porch. The man walks up to his father's front door, unaware that a massive snake is hanging from the porch light right above him in the shadows. A 12-year-old Australian girl managed to save her pet guinea pig from the jaws of a snake nearly 1.8 meters long by swinging it above her head like a hammer throw athlete. He was still able to remain calm and continue driving, wasn't he? It was truly horrifying to witness the scene unfolding right before his eyes. Could he really pick it up like that? It was actually a sea snake or water snake covered in algae, a condition known as fouling. What I'm wondering is, how did it even manage to get in there in the first place? I actually thought the snake was already dead, and that the guy was just lifting it up to show its length, but then I saw the snake's face. It almost looked like he thought he had caught his snake girlfriend with another snake, but he wasn't 100% sure. The fact that snakes don't have legs isn't their fault. It's similar to when electric cars were introduced, they had to be fitted with a humming sound so people wouldn't accidentally step in front of them.
They're usually out when it's...
A sudden moment of panic and shock.
Wow, it is real.
He still had the composure and skill to keep driving, didn't he? Even when provoked, it remained calm and did not waste energy on defensive behavior. scary cobra aggressively attacks a local influencer. That boy is really lucky. The snake is injured. It looks like its intestines are protruding.
Oh.
A viral video filmed by a real estate agent in Arkansas shows a house overrun with snakes. The video captures them attempting to capture a boa constrictor that had appeared at a home, posing a danger to the surrounding area. That's exactly the right reaction for a situation like this. The way it crawled out of its nest, it's absolutely spine-chilling. He could still catch it with his bare hands, and his expression remained completely calm. Terrifying snake encounters, caught on camera, delivered moments that were both terrifying and absolutely heart-pounding. In your opinion, which snake species is the most dangerous? Leave your thoughts in the comments below.